Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Emon, by the way, welcome. And today's video is going to be us shopping for our fridge today. I didn't film an intro for when we were at Lowe's, which is where the next clip is going to be. So I'm filming it now because I'm editing right now. So yeah, let's just get on to the clip.
Okay, so we're looking for a refrigerator for our new home. What I'm looking for is space, and a refrigerator that we don't have to open as much. So that means we would like the water on the outside, the water and the ice to be able to come out the dispensers on the outside. I also don't want to bend that much, get kind of old now. So I would prefer not to have the bottom freezer, but I also know that we need it because if we don't, then we'll have less refrigerator space. So we have to go for the bottom refrigerator and the French style doors is what we're looking for. So what I did some research on is the filter. There's a filter that goes in the refrigerators. There's one model that I saw that had the filter here where it could easily be changed out. I'm definitely not looking for the ice box to be in the refrigerator because it's taking up too much space. I want it to be in the door. So this would not
So this
be.
overall is a no for us
This
here.
is a no. Samsung, whatever it is a no.
Okay, no Samsung. Sorry, buddy. Pause. I got Lizzo on the screen. Turn up. Nothing.
The ice tray is in the door, and the water dispenser is in the door. So if you can see that with the French style doors, you have more space.
Looking like a lot of mechanisms here.
Space in the
Oh, that's not
refrigerator. So if it was a,
So this is an ice thing.
right, this is the ice.
So you don't want that in there.
I want it to sit here.
Oh, okay.
I don't want it sitting here in the side where it takes up.
Gotcha. Okay.
So what I'm pretty much looking for is like this here. So these are like gallon size containers, so we can put the milk here, sodas here, and all the condiments, so it don't take up room in the refrigerator. But this refrigerator don't have that I want is like the pushback. So just in case I wanted to put a big pot or something in here, this part doesn't push back. So that's
Excuse me.
that it don't have that I would like in the refrigerator. But so far, this refrigerator covers a lot of what I do want.
Okay.
Right. So this refrigerator is a good example of something that I would be okay with because the two colors pretty much match if I was going for something this color, but I'm not. But the sides are normally a dull color that does not blend with the front of the refrigerator.
Yeah.
I don't want that. I want both the refrigerator and the sides
You
of
want
the
it to be
refrigerator.
cohesive unit here.
Correct.
All one color.
So good refrigerator, but not the one.
Not the one. It's on sale too. What a shame. So in general, what all do we need for the house? We need a
For
refrigerator,
washing,
a washer and dryer, furniture,
carpet.
carpets, lots of stuff. Okay, but main thing is fridge, washer and dryer, furniture, and carpet stuff. Because we have carpets in the house. Cool. Let's go.
Let's see.
Let's go.
So box. I haven't seen anything box. This one has what I want. It's the French doors. It has pretty good space. And see, this is what I mean by it goes back. I don't know how to do it to push it back. But
The rescue here.
see, there you go.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, see, it goes back, so I can put a pot there, you know, if I wanted to.
Oh,
So,
nifty.
It's one of the things that I want.
Yeah.
This one.
So what's this one? This is a Bosch
This is a box.
SOS display. I don't know what that is.
And the numbers are pretty long, so we're not going to be saying those in the video. So
I'm
just
gonna
take pictures of them if you guys really want it.
Leave us some examples down below of some fridges that you all have gotten that have all the
Also-
criteria we would prefer.
I also want this box, but I want it to be tempered.
That's the ice tray right there.
And so I do not want this one because it does not have the temperatures that would keep the items cool that I want them the way I want them.
Right.
So no.
No, it's no from us.
No, you don't want that one.
So when I did research on this morning was the GE Cafe. Can't remember the full name. But it was GE Cafe, and it dispensed hot water, and you could also make coffee in it. It had the Keurig coffee maker in it. I don't care about the coffee maker. I don't drink coffee. I mean, these two do, but I don't. But the hot water portion of it is what I like.
This is one.
This is the KitchenAid one that we're talking about. It's $3,779.
Wow.
It goes
But
very
it's
nice.
aesthetically
Like them.
pleasing.
Fridges they got in Chop. Who do we have over?
It's really nice refrigerator. Like this
Just
is
saying.
amazing. It has
Get a look here.
all
Get a look-see.
the nice stainless steel inside as well.
Has a removable ice bin.
It has the ice bin here in the door, not inside, so it's not taking up space from that. Still have some space here to put something in the doors. This doesn't look like it's the gallon ones, but it'll still be okay. We don't really do gallon jugs of milk anyways, so that would probably still work.
I think it's because we never really had the choice, but yeah.
And then this one here, It's what I'm talking about.
Metric system.
when it comes to the different drawers with the different temperatures, so you can put meats and cold drinks or whatever, and then you select it, and it'll be on that temperature that's good for that item that's in there.
Okay.
So that's what. And this is the produce, so we don't have to worry about making it to crisper or whatever, humidity, whatever, if you do this drawer here. So you have produce will go into this drawer, and it's already tempered to that.
Goes out very far.
So exactly, and that's what I'm talking about. We want a refrigerator that can hold a good amount.
That's nice.
So this is a really nice refrigerator.
It is very nice.
And we still have this big, nice bottom freezer
With two
down
drawers.
here with 2 drawers. Ooh,
Kinda
KitchenAid
dirty.
might be it.
Well, there y'all food's gonna get gross.
I kind of like this one.
Where the LG's at? Oh, right here, LG. This is the this is the D, but well, the only thing that was S. This one's $12.99. This one's similar to the one you looking at.
This is big,
Yeah, it's 26, 22.
but it's the side doors. I want the French doors.
It's the French door.
French door is the top opening is the bottom. So this one right here, this side is the freezer, and that side is the refrigerator. And we don't want that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it's like, I was like, well, it's 2 doors. I thought that was French.
This is, I think these are called like side by sides or something like that. But it opens here,
This one's 28,
and then it has the 2 at the
and it's on sale. Almost $2,000. It's looking pretty nice.
Fingerprint resistant.
Yeah, and we wanted that as well, the fingerprint.
You don't want you don't want it to have fingerprints.
Yeah, but the
Okay.
ice box is taking up space there.
Okay.
I mean, still,
You said fingerprint resistant, but you had to put fingerprints on it. Someone must have licked their finger and put it on there. That's nasty. Okay. So it has to be fingerprint resistant. It has to match on the sides.
you don't
It
have
has
to be,
to at least be 26 feet. Is it feet? Is that the term? Cubic feet?
This was nice.
And
This one's
French doors.
multi airflow.
okay.
Okay.
Sheesh.
Nice. This pretty cool. Will it come out?
actually like this.
Triple cooling.
Also have temperatures on, but they're not set to a certain temperature. It's just like, okay,
You slide it. It tells you how much it can open up. And how much of the moisture gets in there. This is another.
I mean, I like the way the
but it's nice.
freezer opens. Like,
This one's cool. Look, sure.
Exactly, this is nice, huh?
yeah, I like that. Instead of having to pull it out,
This is
That's definitely a
KitchenAid.
plus.
This is KitchenAid's signature.
Yeah.
little thing.
Okay. such nice refrigerators. Look at that. I mean, this is like
It has wood.
top
It
notch.
has wood. Look at this crap. Hold on.
That's not what you need wood in the fridge for.
I'm just
But
saying.
it's just nice. It's just aesthetically
You
pleasing
just
to
need
the
wood
eye.
in the fridge.
Look at this. What is this right here?
Dog food.
What? Really?
I'm just kidding. What? Good job.
There's nothing here.
And
Huh?
No space.
I might be okay with the little display on the refrigerator,
What is this?
especially if I can zap emails to it, so that I can mind my homework mind.
Well, they have the calendars.
You gotta have your email on the fridge for what?
The calendars on the fridge, so it'll tell you in the morning when you wake up what things you have going on that day.
Yeah.
Whatever, if you want recipes, it'll put the recipes up there while you're cooking.
Just
I
keep,
mean-
keep your family connected and in sync. Synchronized calendars, send custom memos.
With synchronized calendars for the whole family, you're always connected, anytime and anywhere. You can
like
also
that.
send and receive custom memos.
I do kind of like that. Well, and
Once
it's
you save the
fingerprint
memo,
resistant.
your family can see your note.
No go.
How cute is that?
Hey, Bixby. Open
Y'all
morning
not gonna do that. You can't even do
Good
it.
morning, Mom.
Put a memo. Y'all gonna be at work. You can't even have your phones at work. What?
I can.
I
Now,
can't.
when you
She
want
can
it.
add to her calendar.
With your
her-
morning
her
brief,
Outlook calendar.
Bixby gives you new.
It's not.
Swipe left
it's
to see your
nothing I need.
calendar.
But
No, I don't need it. I just said I guess I'm okay with it.
It's a nice touch. It is a very nice touch.
I think the onion.
Ah, okay. So those are all notes. 24 is here. 30? Icebox?
Nope.
No.
Icebox is right here.
Okay. No icebox. Looks pretty deep. Has a lot
Pretty,
of
look at it.
storage. Yeah, it's like
Look, you can't even see
I don't even
no
think we
more.
shot there for that much food.
well, that's good.
Pull it
And
out.
you got this.
Cold outlook. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Temperatures for the food. Fresh airlock.
That's a
Pretty
big
deep.
stuff right here.
Pull out drawer. That's deep too. I mean, it looks
Hey,
like
can you put ice in there too?
pull out. Okay. Okay, we got the grid, refrigerator, freezer temperature, fresh air filter, ice plus, smart grip.
Ice plus. Is the other one on the bottom maybe?
Probably.
Props.
Says door lock. You can lock the door so nobody can
I
get
don't
in.
understand this whole door lock thing because I'm not locking my kids or myself out of my refrigerator. We need to use this refrigerator for because the shelving is so big.
Yeah. I
This is
mean,
nice.
yeah, this one looks like a winner.
It does.
Looks like a winner.
Temperature. I like this one. Yes,
All right. So it's two of them that I like so far. I like that one in the end. And the other one is the first one that we saw way over there, the KitchenAid one.
Oh, okay, yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm editing now in our hotel room. We've been back from Lowe's and for a while. Lowe's and Home Depot. So that's pretty much the end of the video. I think that the process of us moving is it's really fun so far. It's also kind of stressful on my parents and stuff, so I'm trying to be here as like a little helper along the way with opinions and like stuff like that as we move into our new home and stuff like that. So yeah, as of right now, Mom has done more research on the washers and dryers. So that'll be in the next video. But in terms of fridges, I think we've come to an agreement that the LG will be our choice for refrigerator. But we'll see, it might change. We'll keep you updated, obviously. But for right now, I think the LG will be the best. We still have to measure the house. We'll measure the placement of where it's going to sit in the house, the kitchen, all that stuff. We just had a house, I think it's called like the first something. It's like when we see the house for like the first time, and then it's like semi-finished state, and then we can make any changes that we want to it. If we don't want to make any changes to it, then we're closer to, getting to our closing date and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the video. If you have any questions or you have any suggestions or comments on like really good refrigerators based on the criteria or like based on the like things that we want for our refrigerator, then, you know, just leave it down in the comments below. Give us any any of your stories in terms of buying houses, if you've bought houses, experiences, all that good stuff. I'd love to hear it. I know mom and dad would love to hear it, just so we can get some insight. Of course, we have to experience this on our own, so we can have stories to tell other people. So that's why we're filming this, so we can show you how our experience is with buying our first house and buying all of our goodies that goes inside of it. So yeah, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.